Hey guys, welcome to BDH Academy, and here in this section we are going to solve an example under the concept called trigonometric equations. So here we have to solve 4 sin x into sin 2x into sin 4x is equal to sin 3x, and then find the solution set for the angle x. So first let us try to group this equation. So here we get 2 sin x into the next term is 2 into the last term, which is sin 4x, into the middle term sin 2x is equal to sin 3x. And here in this term we can use the formula for transformation of product into sum, that is 2 sin a into sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So by using that formula over here, so we get 2 sin x into cos a minus b, that is 4x minus 2x is 2x minus cos a plus b, which is cos 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. And then transferring sin x to the left hand side, we get minus sin 3x is equal to 0. And now let us multiply the outer term 2 sin x with the group. So by multiplying, it would come as 2 cos 2x into sin x, then minus 2 into, let us write cos term. So here we get 2 into cos 6x into sin x minus sin 3x is equal to 0. And now here there are no common terms. So let us try to get a common term. So here in this equation, you can use the formula of 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So let us use this formula. That is sin a plus b, that is 2x plus x, that is 3x minus sin a minus b, 2x minus x, which is x, then minus 2 cos 6x into sin x remains the same, then we get minus sin 3x is equal to 0. So here you can observe that we have sin 3x as the common term with opposite signs. So let us cancel these terms, and then we are left with minus sin x minus 2 cos 6x into sin x is equal to 0. And now let us consider minus sin x as the common factor. So minus sin x into 1 plus 2 cos 6x is equal to 0. And then let us transfer minus to the right hand side. So here we get sin x into 2 cos 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we get two solutions for this equation. So first let us consider the first solution, which is sin x is equal to 0. And we already know that the equation which is in the form of sin theta is equal to 0 degrees, then the formula to find the general solution of theta is given by n pi, where n belongs to integers. So now let us find the general solution for the angle x will be equal to n pi, where n belongs to integers. And now let us consider the second solution, which is 2 cos 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then transfer 1 and 2 to the right hand side. So here we get cos 6x is equal to minus 1 divided by, and here 2 is multiplying, so here it gets divided. So here we get minus 1 by 2. We can also write this equation in terms of cos 6x is equal to the value of minus 1 by 2, which is cos 2 pi by 3. And now this equation is in the form of cos x is equal to cos k. So the principal solution for the angle 6x is alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. And we already know that if the equation is in this form, then the general solution of angle theta is given by the formula 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to integers. So by using this formula, we can find the general solution of angle 6x. So here we get 6x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, which is 2 pi by 3. And now by transferring 6 to the right hand side, we get x equal to 2n pi divided by 6 plus or minus 2 pi by 3 into 6. And now let us simplify. So here 2 1 time is 2 and 2 3 times is 6. And similarly here also 2 and 6 gets cancelled 3 times. So that implies we get here n pi divided by 3 plus or minus pi by 3 into 3, which is 9. So this is the solution where n belongs to integers. So at last we can say that the solution set for the angle x will be equal to n pi union n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9, where n belongs to integers. So make a note of the formulas of 2 sin A into sin B and the formula for 2 cos A into sin B, and the formula general solution of angle theta is equal to n pi, where the equation is in the form of sin theta is equal to 0 degrees, and then the general solution of theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where the equation is in the form of cos theta is equal to cos k. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.